So Rohit, today I'm going to ask you a few questions and you have to answer all those questions, right? First question is, what do you like to eat in fast food?
In fast food, I like to eat momos, sandwich, french fries, and Italian pasta with extra cheese.
And what do you like to eat in homemade food?
In homemade food, I like to eat pulse and rice, stuffed bread, and mixed veg.
What do you like to wear for weddings?
I like to wear three-piece suit, shirt, wasket and pant, kurta pajama, sherwani for wedding.
What do you like to drink?
I like to drink tea and coffee, fruit juice and mineral water.
When do you leave for college?
I leave for my college at 9 o'clock.
How long do you study every day?
I always study for 1 hour.
Good job, Rohit. You answered all the questions perfectly.